Hello everyone, welcome back. Surya Smarter Everyday. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Well, we are going to learn so many new and exciting things together. Let us start today's lesson. Welcome to the Unit 1 Personality Development. This unit helps you to shape your personality. A quick introduction about personality development. What comes to your mind when you hear the word personality? Is that Mother Teresa, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Indira Gandhi, or anybody else? What is personality? Personality does not mean just a physical appearance that is seen from outside. More importantly, it is a combination of characteristics of an individual. Personality includes our way of thinking and how we behave with others in the society, our confidence levels, how well we can communicate with others. Are we of positive attitude or negative attitude? How we maintain our body language? How we deal with someone who is inferior physically, mentally, and economically to us? If one wants to reach the set of destination and succeed in life, it is really important to hone positive attitude. A man plus positive attitude. How important is personality? It is always proved that a person with a good personality and a positive attitude has reached great heights in his or her life. Like Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, Walt Disney, the famous cartoonist, Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, Abraham Lincoln, the former president of USA, Thomas Alva Edison, invented electric bulb. How important is personality? Chase your success. Start, plan, analyze, try again, and analyze and try again. Keep on doing and until success. We should also keep trying till the goal is reached without giving up. Look at the images of few people given on the screen. Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, and Helen Keller. Have you ever seen or heard of these people? What is the similarity we observe in them? What type of dance is Sudha Chandran demonstrating? How Helen Keller got educated though being blind, deaf, and dumb? Which country does Stephen Hawking belong to? What qualities have made these persons great? All these are disabled persons. They believed that the seed of achievement lies in human mind. They have never give up attitude. They try again and again if they fail. They believe that the human spirit can handle many worse conditions than we realize. These qualities have made these persons great. What qualities do you think a person requires to become successful? Perseverance, positive attitude, courage, persistence, hope, self-confidence, determination, dedication, discipline, willpower, and good character. Most of us take our lives for granted. Despite being physically fit, we keep complaining and making excuses. And there are differently abled people who prove that you don't need two legs or hands or eyes to be successful in life, like Helen Keller, Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking. Let's get inspired from them. Thank you.